Welcome back. Now news from sports. Swapnil Asnodkar followed up his 88 in Sunday's match with another match-winning knock of 46 for NRB GSA Stars on Monday. Dempo batted first and were restricted to just 125 in their 20 overs. Aman Lith was the chief destroyer, claiming 4 wickets for NRB GSA Stars and was the man of the match as well. In the first match of the day, Salgaocar opened their GPL 3 campaign with a 3-wicket win over Sarvodaya Royals.
Dempo were looking to avenge their Sunday's defeat and came out all guns blazing, but Aman Lith was in no mood to let the Dempo batters get an upper hand. Aman returned man of the match, winning figures of 4 overs, 16 runs for 4 wickets. Opener Tushar Narvekar guided the batting lineup, scoring 21, watching his partners get out at the other end. Skipper Robin D'Souza, who scored a well-made 18, was bowled in this fashion. Sher Bahadur Yadav then picked up 2 wickets in 2 balls. Out came Kamran Khan, and the former Rajasthan Royals slinger brought some respectability to the Dempo batting scorecard, scoring a quick-fire 23. Kamran, otherwise known for his bowling, top scored for Dempo CC, or else it would have looked very bad for the Blues. Chasing a small target of 126, NRB GSA Stars lost their opener on the very first ball. Ilyas Naru was looking good before Kamran Khan wrecked his furniture. Thereafter, Baroda lad Jot Chaya gave able support to Swapnil Asnodkar en route to his score of 22. A few quick wickets though pegged back NRB's chase. Jot Chaya first, and then Gajanan Asgaonkar was run out. Aniket Desai played well and supported Swapnil. But once Swapnil was dismissed for 46, the momentum once again shifted. It took a 6-ball, 19-run blitz from Ryan D'Souza to guide NRB GSA home in the 19th over in the end. NRB winning by 4 wickets.
Gold medal first, and then for Jekanikar.
In the first match of the day, Salgaocar Sports Club opened their account with a 3-wicket win over Sarvodaya Royals. Sagun Kamath was adjudged man of the match for his knock of 52 runs in 33 balls. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Porvorim.
India are on the threshold of boosting the country's football scenario. After the high of qualifying for the last Asian Cup, India will have a big challenge on their hands when they embark on the mission of AFC Challenge Cup to win a ticket to Australia 2015 Asian Cup. Savya Madera's boys will be raring to go when they open the campaign against Tajikistan on March 9. A victory in the tournament will give India the entry into Premier Asian Championship, and with that, India's football will get a big boost.
The 23-member India national football team reached Kathmandu for the AFC Challenge Cup on Sunday. India have been clubbed with North Korea, Philippines and Tajikistan in Group B. The other participating countries in Group A are hosts Nepal, Maldives, Palestine and Turkmenistan. India will play their first match against higher-ranked Tajikistan on March 9. India lost both their practice matches ahead of this tournament, but some positives in these matches were the sharpness of youngsters, while India missed established players like Sunil Chhetri. India will be boosted by fit again Chhetri, who had scored a hat-trick against Tajikistan to guide India to the 2011 Asian Cup. The AIFF Player of the Year feels confident about the team. He is quoted as saying on the AIFF website, "We are a capable side with a lot of potential. We will go all out to attain our goal for our fans." With World Cup side North Korea also in the group, India's challenge will be even tougher. But coach Savio Madeira is sounding upbeat. "We are in a tough group for sure, but are confident of defending the title. The team is the right blend of youth and experienced players." Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.